Got a quick front porch railing install job for you guys today. First, we're going to relay the tread on this bottom step. Now, we only repaired the bottom step on this job. I know you guys aren't happy with the deck that sits, 3 or 4 inches above the top step. We didn't do that, okay? We just did a repair here. Somehow, for a CO, all it needed was the bottom step repaired and the railings put on, so that's not on us. We obviously would never do that. Anyway, now we get our railings out. These are aluminum rails. We mark them. We do plumb, level, and square, and we trace the bottom one. The top will be screwed into the existing TimberTech deck. And we measure them, and we mark them, and then we put our plates on to see what it's going to cover. We see these are 1.5 inch thick rails. They are aluminum. We trace out what we had in pencil, in marker. Here's what we're going to be using to install today, guys. We measure our rails. We see we got to bore out, at least 4 inches to cover. We're using our Bosch hammer drill to get in there all nice and deep and bore it out. We have to occasionally clean out the cement and limestone it gets filled with and continue onward boring. Next, we get our shop vac to extract all the little pieces and dust out of our holes. You can see we're bored down about 4.25, 4.5 inches. Now we get our rails and we set them in. We set them in both sides. Double check them, and then we're going to fasten a backs in first. We're fastening these backs in first with screws as they were previously, and that's going to leave the front of our railings completely suspended. The reason we want it suspended is we want our Cementol non-shrink rapid set grout high strength to be able to get underneath there. See, I'm wiggling it to show you it's not sitting on the bottom so the cement can flow both under and up into the aluminum rail. Now you can see we are filling it, we are pouring it. It looks a little wet, but it's rapid set. It sets rather quickly. Then we get our sponge and we clean everything off. You have to clean it off very quickly because it hardens fast and you don't want to have any stains on your stone. Once that's done, you let it dry. Then you slide down your post cap, and there is our completed look, and our rails have been installed. Hope you guys learned something from this. Thanks for watching.